Preparation of specific salts. Preparation of sodium sulfate crystals. Method of preparation. By the action of dilute acid on a soluble base, neutralization titration method. Other salts which can be prepared by titration. Sodium chloride, NaCl. By titrating hydrochloric acid, HCl, with sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Potassium nitrate, KNO3. By titrating potassium hydroxide, KOH, with nitric acid, HNO3. Calcium sulfate, CaSO4. By titrating calcium hydroxide, CaOH, 2, with sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2. By titrating magnesium hydroxide, MgOH, 2, with hydrochloric acid, HCl. Procedure 1. Fix a burette in an iron stand and fill it with dilute sulfuric acid. Measure 25 ml of NaOH with a pipette and transfer it to a conical flask. To the NaOH solution, add 2 drops of phenolphthalein. The solution in the flask turns pink. 2. Add dilute sulfuric acid drop by drop from the burette into the conical flask by constant stirring. When the pink color of solution in the conical flask changes to colorless, it indicates that sodium hydroxide is completely neutralized. This is the end point. At this moment, the tap of the burette is closed. 3. The solution in the conical flask is transferred to an evaporating dish, china dish, and heated till crystallization point is reached. Allow the dish to cool and cover it with a filter paper. In few hours, crystals of Na2SO4.10H2O settle down. Mother liquor filter paper china dish crystals of Na2SO4.10H2O. 4. Filter the crystals so as to separate them from the mother liquor. Wash the crystals with cold distilled water. Dry the crystals in the fold of a filter paper or in a hot air oven. Preparation of zinc sulfate, white vitriol, crystals. Method of preparation. Crystals of zinc sulfate can be prepared by the action of dilute sulfuric acid on zinc metal. Since zinc displaces hydrogen from sulfuric acid, hence preparation of zinc sulfate by this method is based on displacement method. 3. Transfer the clear zinc sulfate solution in a china dish and evaporate the solution till crystallization point is reached. 4. Allow the solution to cool and cover it with a filter paper. In few hours, crystals of zinc sulfate crystallize out. 5. Filter the mother liquor from the crystals. Wash the crystals with a small amount of a cold distilled water. Dry the crystals in the folds of a filter paper or in a hot air oven. Preparation of iron. 3. Chloride, FeCl3. Method of preparation. Iron, 3. Chloride, FeCl3. Can be prepared by reacting iron with chlorine gas, Cl2, or by dissolving iron, 3. Oxide, Fe2O3, or iron filings, Fe, in hydrochloric acid, HCl, and then evaporating the solution to obtain solid FeCl3. Preparation of lead carbonate, PbCO3. Method of preparation. Lead carbonate, PbCO3, can be prepared by reacting lead, 2, nitrate, PbNO3, 2, with sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. The reaction takes place in an aqueous solution and results in the formation of lead carbonate, which can be isolated as a solid by filtration and subsequent drying. Reaction. Procedure. 1. Dissolve lead, 2. Nitrate, PbNO3, 2. in distilled water so as to have a lead nitrate solution. 2. Gradually add sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, to the lead nitrate solution while stirring. A white precipitate of lead carbonate will form. 3. Filter the mixture to isolate the solid lead carbonate. Rinse the precipitate with distilled water and then allow it to dry. You'll obtain lead carbonate as a white solid. Preparation of an acid salt sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. Method of preparation. Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, also known as baking soda, can be prepared by passing carbon dioxide, CO2, through a concentrated sodium carbonate, soda ash, Na2CO3, solution. Sodium bicarbonate precipitates as a white solid when CO2 is bubbled through the solution. Reaction. Procedure. 1. Prepare sodium carbonate solution. Dissolve sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, in distilled water to create a sodium carbonate solution. 2. Add carbon dioxide, bubble carbon dioxide, CO2, Gas through the sodium carbonate solution. 3. Filtration and drying. Filter the mixture to isolate the solid sodium bicarbonate. Rinse the precipitate with distilled water to remove impurities. Allow the sodium bicarbonate to dry to obtain the desired acid salt, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3.